A very good evening. It's Monday, the 27th of April 2020, and of course, today on the website, I released the 2020 Atlantic Hurricane Season Forecast. A lot of reason to be concerned about the overall atmospheric and oceanic temperature profile and state, if you will. Warmer than normal waters extending from Africa into the Caribbean Sea, colder than normal waters across the North Atlantic. So that allows the atmosphere to be a little bit more conducive, if you will, for tropical development as well as intensification. Another big factor is the fact that the ENSO index is going to be running towards cool neutral, which indicates that although the water temperatures in the equatorial Pacific are warmer than normal at the moment, subsurface waters are cooling, and that's likely to then translate up to the surface and cooling off that surface body of water. What that essentially does is it reduces wind shear extending from the Pacific into the Caribbean Sea. So while we've got a conducive Atlantic basin, systems then develop, of course, track westwards, and with very little wind shear over the Caribbean Sea and warmer than normal water temperatures, we've got an environment that is very, very significant for very big hurricanes this year. I'm afraid the Gulf of Mexico is running a good 2 degrees above normal. So too is the Cape Verde region as well. The Cape Verde season, of course, doesn't typically start until late August and into September. But if you've got temperatures warm enough early enough, that season could kick off even as early as mid to late July, as opposed to later on in the year. And Madden Julian Oscillation, there's indications that that could be more conducive for a large scale rise of air over the main development region of the Atlantic. So, folks, do check out the written post. There is a lot of things in that I've not discussed, like, for example, the loop current in the Gulf of Mexico, how we could see something similar to 2005. Do check that out, and I'll be back in the next couple of days with more on the UK. So stay safe. Hope you're looking after yourselves, and I'll be back in the next few days with more. Bye for now.